it's Joya. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I'll be showing y'all a Valentine's look. I don't know how it's gonna turn out, but enjoy this video and remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Let's just get to it. I'm gonna be using Cara palette. It has all the colorful shades. But to start off my eye look, I'm gonna use the first shade, which is gonna be Seduce Me from Beauty Creations Sesame palette. I'll be using this color. First color, I'm gonna be getting it from the Beauty Creations Sesame palette, Peaches, right here. So now, I'm not gonna grab my product. I'm just gonna drag it up toward my brow bone. So now that I have both my colors, I'm gonna be getting the color Orgasm. Sorry for my language. Right here, light pink color. I'll be adding it towards my brow bone. I'm sorry for like the lighting. I don't have good lighting. To deepen up my crease and make it darker, I'm gonna be getting the color, this purplish shiny color Fire right here. Doing the same thing to my other eye. Now I'm taking my Cara palette, using the color and like on top of my brow bone where I added the light pink at. Now I'm taking this purple right here, this purple color, and once again adding it in my crease. We're just gonna add it in our crease. We're gonna add it all just like halfway right here. So now we will be getting the concealer we used to conceal. And once again, we're going to be getting the shadow brush. I will be packing this pinkish, purplish color on half of my lid. I'm not sure. I don't know any names of any of my brushes. This is light pink right here. Adding it to the center of your lid. Getting the color we used this on the Beauty Creations Sesame palette, this Fire color. For my inner corner, I will be getting these two colors, Tempting, and the color Please Me. Now that you have pretty much your face concealed, your under eyes concealed, all the colors I have on my eyes, I'm gonna use them on my underline. Wow. Try to not poke out your eye, because I almost poked my eye out. Now that you've pretty much done that, I will be right back because I'll be adding some glitter and then some glitter eye. Now to apply the glitter, I'm gonna be using the little liner brush I was using for my under eyes, and I'll be adding it like right here on the light pink. rip me. So yeah guys, this is pretty much it for the eye look. So I'll just quickly put on my eyelashes and I'll be right back. Now that the eyelashes are on, I did a horrible job at them. But yeah, so that's it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. But yeah, hope you enjoy. Like, comment, subscribe, share, or whatever you want. Valentine's Day. Yeah, thanks for watching. Bye.